posted a video yesterday and so many people were like saying it's not working. It is because of you guys I'm re-recording this particular video again to show you that it's working. And this time around I'm using a brand new account so that it won't say it's because of I already have credit before. So I'm using a brand new account for this. For those of you that are saying it's not working, I'm going to show you step by step on the trick I used to generate Grok videos. This is a secret hack, so I'm going to be showing you how to go about it. And you can see with just little credit I'll be having, I'll be able to generate as much videos as possible. So if you are, that's the reason why you are here, or you want to learn how to do that, just stick around. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to go about it. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorials.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
This is the website you are going to be using. I'll be putting the link to this website in the comment section. I've done a video on this website before. I think the last video I uploaded, but some people were like saying it's not working for them, so I decided to redo this video again so that to show you guys that this is truly working. Now, once you're on this website, what you need to do, you have to log in. I'm going to log in using your Gmail account. So I'll quickly just log in using a new fresh Gmail account. I've logged in, so now we just bring up this for you. So what you just do, you just answer any of these questions. Just now. Once you do that, just let this, or just let anything. Okay, let me just say this, then just all right. Now you're here on the website, and if you look at the website, you'll see that it's more or less like you think you can't use this website for video, but the thing there, they have lots of models you can use. So I'll be going straight into the models. So now once you go, you can just click on this exploit. Once you click on explore, it's going to take you to here. Then on this place where you have search for by models, just click on it and again to take you to another page, this page. Now once you are on this page, what you just need to click here and search for Grok. So once you search for Grok, you'll be seeing Grok. So this year we'll be using GROK 1.5. That's this image to video. We'll be using this. So I'm going to quickly, what you're going to do, you copy this link. You copy the link, copy link. So we'll now move to this other website. I'll be pinning the link to this website in the comment section also. So what we're going to do, I'm going to click on start now. So once I click on start now, it's going to redirect me to my login page too. So from here, you can log into a new account. So I'm going to be logging into a new account. So just log into using any method you want. So log into a fresh new account. Now you can see I've logged in with using a fresh new account, and you can see being redirected to this page. Now if you check here, you see that everything is just blank, as in I've not done anything on this account. It's a very fresh account I just created now. So now you can see, if you hover over here, you will see that I have my 150 credits. Normally when you open a new account, they are going to give you 150 credits. So this is a new account, as I said. Now what I'm now going to do, I'm going to go ahead to where we have create any of the create file here. You can click on it. So let me just click on this one. So once you click on it, it's going to redirect you. It's going to bring you to somewhere like this. You can just do, I'll just click on this skip for now. Now wait for the interface. You can see the interface. This is how it's just more or less like blank. So now what I'm going to now do is to now start my work. So what you can right click on it. Once I right click on it on this any part here, then click on import model. Then once to import model, let me zoom out, let me zoom in a little. So now you can see from here, I'll now paste in the link I copied. So once I paste in the link, you can see it brought it here. So you can see it's the same image, the same thing that was on the other one. Okay, sorry. You can see that it's the same image, and also the same on this other one. You can see the same image. So it meaning that I'm now going to be using this model on directly here, and you can see that the credit unit is still 10. So those of you that are saying it's not working, you can just also follow this step correctly. Everything will work perfectly well for you. So now I'm going to first of all, let me come here, and now let me click here on this side. I'm going to bring in my export. Then I'm going to link my export to this. Now I will zoom out. I'm going to zoom out. Now let's zoom out. Now I'm going on this side. I'm going to bring in my prompts. Now on the prompts, let me adjust this over. Now on the prompt, I'm going to now link the prompt to this. Now I'm going to now bring in my import model because I need to, import, because I need to bring in the image. From here, I'll link the import to Grok also. Now from here, I'm going to now click here to bring in my image. So I'll bring in the image I want to use. But while this image is loading, the next thing I'm going to do on this prompt, I'm going to enter my prompt here. So let me quickly just paste in my prompt. You can see I've pasted in my prompts what I want it to do, generate for me. Then from here, you can see once you're here, because now the aspect ratio is going to take it from the image. So now once I'm here, I'm going to, you can see if I should select any of them, still remain the thing is still of 30 credits. So even if I should increase it, it's still 10 credits. And if I should increase the duration, it's still 10 credits. So for those of you that is saying it's not working, this is working. So this is working for those of you that are saying it's not working. So once you're here, you're just going to click on run model. Remember, when you use Grok directly, it's going to cost you more. Like for example, let me try something. Yeah, let me show you something now. If I should go to models and come to my video models, generate from text or image, now you see Grok here. If I should select this now, you can see what on this side, you will see if I should use this, I'm going to be spending 45 credit. Why if I should use this other one, I'm spending just 10 credits. You can see I'm spending just 10 credits. So get this. So now I'm going to, once I'm done with everything, I'm going to click on run model, then accept. Once it has accept, you can now click on run selected again. So you can now see it's generating my video for me. So I'll just patiently just wait for it to finish generating the video. But before then, let me quickly just show you something. Now I'm going to write. But now, if this is, remember, this one we did here is coming from text. Coming from, we are using image to generate. We are generating that from image to video. So now, what if I wanted to do text to video? It's easy. What I just need to do is just come over here and scroll down a little. If you scroll down a little, you will see this other model here. This one is text to video. So you can just, what you just need to do is just for you to copy it, copy the link and come over here, then right click and import model. Then you import the model you'll be using. You paste in the link of the model you want to use. So I've pasted here the link. You can see it brought in that particular model, and for the text to video is going to be costing me more, which is 36 credit, but still it's still far better than the other one that was 40 something credits. So that is just, I just wanted to show you how in case you want to use text to video or you want to use image to video. So this one was image to video, while this is text to video. So that is just it. So I'm going to delete this while we wait for this other one to finish generating. So you can see it has generated the video. So I'm going to, if you want to download, what you just need to do is just to click on its export. Remember, we've already linked our export. So now I'm going to click on export. So once it's going to start generating, rendering, and then you can see it has downloaded my video. So now I'll be playing this video now. So let me just play the video so you see how it looks like. So you can see how the video is. Now what I'm going to now I'm done with it. So you can see, for those of you saying that this is not working, guys, it is working. And you can see they only took 10 credits from my account. They only took 10 credits. So if you exhaust one on this Wavy AI, they only give you 150 credits. Once you exhaust it, that is it. You have to use another account. So I don't know. I've not yet checked if the credits renews probably every, for now I know it doesn't renew every week, or whether it renews every month, I don't know. So I have not yet tried that. So but for now, if you exhaust your 150 credits, you can create a new account and start with. So from there now you can now do this thing, start generating your video. You can use the account and generate as much video as you can. You can see if I should follow this method, I'm going to be generating up to 15 videos using this method. So guys, try it out. This website is really working. As you can see, it's working on my own end, so it should definitely work for you guys. So that will be, I want you to try it and let me know. For those of you saying it's not working, that's the reason why I keep this video again, for you to see.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.